Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a workflow with a form on a HubSpot page. This is a powerful way to automatically enroll people into your workflows the moment they submit a form on your landing page, making your contact management much more efficient. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, click on Login if you already have an account set up. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to get started. After clicking Login, you'll need to enter your HubSpot credentials and hit Sign In to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, hover your cursor over the left side menu, look for the option named Content, and when you hover over it, an expanded window will appear. From there, locate and click on Landing Pages. This will take you to your collection of existing landing pages where you can manage and edit them. Next, find the landing page you want to add a workflow to and click on it. This will open up the landing page editor, giving you full access to customize the page and add new elements. On the left side menu, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on it and a left side menu will expand, showing you all the elements you can add to your page. Look for forms in the list or use the search bar at the top if you want to find it faster. This is where you'll grab the form element that connects to your workflow. Once you've located forms, drag the form element onto your landing page where you want it to appear. As soon as you do this, form options will populate in your left side menu, allowing you to customize which form you want to use. In the form settings, enter your form title to label it appropriately. Then from the form selection menu, click the drop-down arrow. This drop-down lets you choose which pre-built form you want to insert, such as contact enrollment workflow, lead capture, or any other form you've already created that's tied to a workflow. Select the one that matches your goal. After you've selected your form, click Preview to see how everything looks on the page. If you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click the Publish button to make it live. Some sections in HubSpot save automatically, but if you see a Save button, be sure to click it to confirm all your changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.